From your Web IDE welcome screen, choose New Project from Template in the Create a Project pane. A wizard opens. In the Template selection, choose a List Report Application template and then click Next. Enter some basic information for the project. In this demo, we'll create a sales app. Our project name is Sales Order, and the title of the app is Managing Sales Orders. You can enter a description and namespace too. Click Next to go to the next step. Now you can select the data connection for the app. As a default, the service catalog is selected as a source, but you can choose Workspace, File System, or Service URL as source as well. First, enter the backend system you want to use for your application and select an OData service from the list. For this demo, I'll choose a test system and service. Confirm by clicking Next to get to the annotation selection. Here, SAP Web IDE displays all annotation sources that are offered by the OData service. You can add additional sources of annotation, change their order, or remove them. Click Next to get to the next step. Now you can choose the entity set for the OData collection that creates the list report page and the first object page of your project. In the second drop-down, you can choose an entity set to create an OData navigation to a second object page. Click Next to get to the confirmation screen. If you need to make any changes to your project settings in the wizard, choose Previous. To create the project, click Finish. Your app is now created and listed in the workspace of your development perspective. You can run your app for the first time now without any additional coding. The app is displayed as a new tile in the Fiori Launchpad. The project name is displayed on the tile, as well as the description if entered. The app now retrieves data from the backend system we chose in the wizard. The sales orders are now displayed according to the list report template structure and the annotations provided by the developer of the service. When you select an item, the app navigates to the first object page, as defined before. Here you find additional data. The sales order items we chose as navigation target are available as a table in the second facet. You can adjust your app according to your needs by editing its OData annotations. For more detailed information, see the SAP Fiori Elements documentation in the SAP Help Portal.